Hello YouTube, hello Internet, it's Irix Guy here. I wanted to take a moment to talk about silver. Looking here, we have a chart goes back to late 2008, and there's something I'd like to point out on this chart, and this is SLV, which is the exchange traded fund for silver. Now, although I'm not a fan of ETFs, I prefer the physical metal. From a charting perspective, this is a really good indicator where the physical metal is likely headed within the next few weeks or months or years as well. As you can see here, back in, it looks like around March of 2009, the blue line crossed over the red line. Now, the blue line is a 50-day moving average. The red line is a 200-day moving average. When the 50-day moving average crossed over the 200-day moving average, that's referred to in traders' terminology as a golden cross. Now, a golden cross typically suggests that a stock's price is about to move upwards rapidly. And as you can see here, it did just that. SLV went from around a little bit over $12.50 a share and touched the high of around 50. Now, why was it sold off at 50? You can see this chart right here dipped. I mean, it hit around 50 and then it dipped down rapidly. And you can also see here on the bottom accumulation and distribution. You see this increase in buying, and then bam, it's a big sell-off. Well, a lot of, and I won't go into a rant on this. You can check out my other naked short selling video for that. But a lot of people believe it may be linked to the some of the big firms that allegedly hold firms that are allegedly naked short selling silver. So in other words, they're selling these 5,000 ounce silver contracts. But if those people came to claim the physical silver that they're entitled to, because they have the piece of paper, hey, I own 5,000 physical ounces, then they can't supply it because they don't have it. It was all a lie. They were selling something they didn't have. They were naked short selling. And the rumor is that when silver breaks through 50, that we're going to see a lot of these naked short sellers become exposed. And I do believe that'll be the case. And I believe that when that happens, that the price per ounce of silver, which now is greatly artificially suppressed, the price per ounce of silver will literally go through the roof. Because people will realize how limited the supply of physical silver is right now. So let's take a look at another chart. And this is why this month, which is almost November now, but this month of October has been a very significant month. When you look at around, looks like around October the 9th through the 10th, we had a golden cross. The 50-day moving average, again, crossed over the 200-day moving average. And you're also seeing the accumulation continue. So we're due for another run up. Now this time, can we break through 50? With enough momentum, I think we can. And I think that what we've seen this month, the month of October 2011, is a very, very bullish sign for the future performance of silver. And that's both the well, actually, I should say only the precious metal, because this ETF could when certain conditions happen, this ETF's price per share could really plummet. But the physical metal will do very well, in my opinion. And check it out for yourself. Do some research. Feel free to check out my stock market videos on YouTube. Got a little bit of information there. And also some videos that will point you to some great sites on the internet for researching this sort of stuff on your own. But thanks for tuning in, and have a good day. Bye-bye.